Okay guys, so I'm starting to drive now, right in the first gear, and if you come here in the back, can you hear that noise? Sorry, it's a little bit dark, but I'll start to drive now. I'll go out, and once I come in the third gear, I can hear some like vibrating noise coming from the back right. Yeah, can you hear that one? This is the noise. And I'm really wondering what's that noise coming from. Okay, let me go out. Yeah, I can hear that. Okay, I'll try to go out in the light. Okay. Damn. I don't know where's that coming from. So now it's the second gear. I'm going slowly. And then once the gear change, the noise gone. And this noise is not coming from the front, it's coming from the back. Can you hear it? Yeah, it's a very annoying noise. It started the small noise before, but now it's getting bigger and bigger, louder and louder. I don't know what to do, but anyway, when I park the car, so I'll park it here now. Okay, and then I'll stop the car. And then when I come back here, I can hear something. Can you hear that? So I've checked the windows. It's definitely not the windows. It's totally up. And now I'll tell you what I found. So when I came, the sound is coming from this side, right? And I started to check out where is it coming from, and I found this. When I put my hand here, it's a little bit like vibrating. I can see something's vibrating over here, you know. I can feel it. Not here, not there, not there, not there. Just over here. Okay, and when I come down, so when I came down, it's coming from this area. This room, maybe. This one, maybe, I'm not sure. I can feel it. It's coming from this side, guys. I cannot feel anything here. Everything is normal here, but when I go up here, I can feel it. I can feel it. And on the other side, I came on the other side here and I put my hand. No, nothing. Just on the other side, not this side. I can feel nothing here. Sorry for the long video, but guys, please, if you can advise me what to do or what that noise coming from, please let me know as soon as possible, as the noise is coming louder and louder. Thank you very much.